One of you watching this is about to have a dream come true. You're going to design a camera accessory and a real company is going to machine it in real metal. I'm serious. Let's start at the beginning. Every part I've ever printed started with a designer, someone who spent days, sometimes weeks getting it right, and then gave away their design for free. This contest isn't just for the professional designers, it's for anyone at any skill level. It could even be you. No, the people watching the video and entering the contest. Exactly, a design contest for camera gear, but an idea this big is only as good as the people standing behind it. So I went straight to the top. First stop, Prusa Research, the people who already make the printers that so many of us already use. If you're going to throw an event for designers, you start with the company that built its entire ecosystem around that. Everything they make is open source. Their platform, Printables, is where those free designs already live. It's basically the home field for people this contest celebrates. So I pitched them the whole idea. The contest, the series, the dream, and honestly, I expected a, let us think about it. Instead, they said yes immediately, and just like that, Prusa Research became the official partner of the contest. It lives on Printables, right where it belongs. Next, the design software. I took the idea to my friends at Autodesk, the people behind Fusion, and Fusion fits the story almost too well because it's the same tools professionals use to turn an idea in your head into a finished working design. And if you're just starting out, there's a free version for hobbyists, so there's no barrier of entry. I told them the story of the contest and their exact words were, "We absolutely love it." Autodesk Fusion is the official design software for the contest, but keep in mind you don't have to use that. You really can use whatever software you want to use. And so I had the prototyping hardware, I had the design software in place. I just needed one more thing, a company that could turn the winning prototype into a real product, and I knew exactly where to look: Hollywood. Hollywood has never been shy about inventing new ways to film. The Steadicam was built by one guy in a workshop. It debuted on Rocky and changed movies forever. Star Wars needed shots no camera could do, so they built the Distraflex. And The Matrix zip-tied 100 still cameras in a ring and called it bullet time. Filmmaking has always been prototype to product. But don't take my word for it, ask my cameraman.
Clifton Stommel here. I'm a working director of photography in Hollywood, which as we all know is a suburb of Los Angeles. And Nate is right. Pretty much every year, there's a major adjustment and new ways that we can film thanks to things like little camera rig changes in terms of the size of the camera, or more often than not, it's actually little accessories that allow us to connect and rig cameras in new ways. This allows us to put cameras in a new place we haven't been able to put them historically, or even combine shots that have never been combined before. And through this competition, if your product or tool for camera rigging and filmmaking gets used, you could be a part of that history of cinema and filmmaking moving forward. Back to Nate.
Thanks, Clifton. And the company building that kind of gear for Hollywood today? Kondor Blue. They're making camera rigging used on blockbuster films and award-winning streaming shows. You've seen their gear in movies, you just didn't know it was theirs. They're filmmakers themselves, so I pitched them the wildest part of this idea. Take the winning design and manufacture it, and they said yes. And Kondor Blue didn't just say yes, they invited me to their headquarters to spend a day with them and sit down with Brandon, their head of product, to talk about his philosophy on design. Their warehouse is enormous. Quality control stations checking every part, and yes, that is a full pickleball court inside the warehouse. We had to play. Whoops, sorry Max, I owe you a new lens. Next time I'm at KB, Brandon, you and I are having a rematch. The full interview with Brandon is coming to the channel soon, and trust me, you want to hear how this guy thinks about making designs.
So one of my favorite design quotes comes from Michelangelo.
Oh, like the Ninja Turtle?
No.
So now let's talk about actually how you win the contest. Your design can be anything, the piece that connects to your camera or a whole new way to tell a story. And here's the thing, Kondor Blue does this all the time. They have an entire product line built with designers. Tyler Stallman designed a clamp that changed how people shoot vertical. Kofi Yaboa designed a suction cup that puts a camera anywhere. Gerald Undone, iJustine, cables, clamps, clips, real products you can buy right now, and every one of them started as one person's idea. This contest is the same door opened for everyone. You can design the piece your rig's been missing for years, or design a cup holder that clamps to a NATO rail. I'm serious, I'll print both. And your design doesn't need to be for some super fancy camera rig, it can be for anything with a camera attached to it. The phone in your pocket, an action camera, DSLR, all the way up to a full cinema rig. And don't think Hollywood is above that either. Multiple notable films have been shot entirely on the iPhone. Sorry, Android. Let's talk prizes. First place wins 3 things: the Prusa Core One Plus printer, $750 of Kondor Blue store credit, and the big one, you work with Kondor Blue to bring your design to life, machine in real metal. Second place, a Prusa MK4S kit and $500 of Kondor Blue credit. Third place, 5 spools worth of Prusament and $250 in Kondor Blue store credit. Every entry gets judged on 5 things. Does it solve a real filmmaking problem? Originality, ease of use and how well it prints in machines, and finally, how well it works with standards. Entries open the moment this video ends, and they're open for 45 days. Full rules and details on the contest page. Every Friday there's a new episode where we continue to celebrate the designer. I'll sit down with guests from both the 3D printing and film worlds, and we'll showcase notable designs of the week that really stood out, and talk with the people who made them. Being featured doesn't mean you're winning. The judging all happens at the end. It just means the whole community sees your work. So enter early. The sooner your design is in, the more Fridays it has to get seen. And every episode I'm giving away something to the viewers. That's you, starting Friday. So let's recap. The printers, the prizes, that's not what this contest is really about. Someone watching this right now has an idea for a camera accessory that deserves to exist. Maybe you've been designing for 10 years. Maybe you've never opened a CAD program in your life. It doesn't matter. Anybody can enter the contest and anybody can win it. Any skill level, any camera, anywhere in the world. And at the end of the season, one of you is going to work with Kondor Blue and hold your own design machined in real metal. And honestly, I can't wait to find out who it is. So what are you waiting for? Join the contest. Stop watching this video. It's too long. Head to prototype2product.com. It takes you straight to the contest page. Upload your design and you're in. It's open to everyone, including you and you. Not you, you're me. And that's it. We'll see you next Friday. Thanks for watching.